Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the BFOUR BF-30. This is the BFOUR BF-30 grill thermometer, Bluetooth operated. It's a meat thermometer which works wireless with app control, a large display, a roasting thermometer, a meat thermometer for the oven, for grill, for barbecue and smoker. 100% wireless sensor, because this wireless meat thermometer for grilling and smoking has a 100% wireless meat sensor, which allows for more convenient use and storage, either for ovens, air fryer, root series and more. They avoid a cable clutter. And a large display that's easy to read. The large LCD display of that grill thermometer conveys with its clarity and readability, so we can track the temperature changes in real time and stay up to date throughout the cooking process, without interrupting the cooking process simply by looking at our mobile phone. And remote monitoring of the meat. We keep an eye on our cooking process with the BF Home app. This easy-to-use app requires no registration or complex installation. It provides a preset temperature warning, high-low temperature alert, live data graphics, a logging, divisible, and it can store over 50 cooking histories, and waterproof and magnetic bag. With its waterproof design, this roasting thermometer is easy to clean. It is protected from water damage, which extends the life of that product. The stainless steel sensor is rust and corrosion resistant, while the wear resistant and heat resistant zirconia handle offers a higher abrasion and heat resistance, and a long battery life, because the grill thermometer with Bluetooth is equipped with a 500 mAh lithium-ion battery that fully charges the sensor in just 2 minutes and provides up to 60 hours of continuous operation. The sensor charges intelligently, either for travel, for family celebrations, or outdoor barbecues. It is a great gift for barbecue lovers and home cookers, This is a meat thermometer with a large LCD display with Bluetooth connection and a smart app. And this comes with a standalone mode. So we have on the screen a connection signal on the top side. We have the alarm signal in the center, the current temperature, and the preset temperature on the bottom. So easy you can read and see what's going on with your real-time monitoring. The Pro connects with the booster. The booster sends the signal to the app, and then we get information. Intelligent app remote monitoring are possible with such device. And to reload, USB-C charging, use your smartphone. AC adapter for recharge, for example. The battery life of the Probe is 72 hours. The booster battery life is 60 hours. That's a nice meat thermometer. This is the BFOUR BF-30. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun!